In this video, we are going to discuss the quick ribbon tabs. Okay, so in one of the previous lectures, we had discussed that these are the three quick access buttons that you have by default. One is the save, one is the undo button, and the other one is the redo button. Okay, so these are the options, or these are some things that you need to access instantly. Now, for instance, let us say we had been formatting this number, and if you want to undo whatever we have done, just click on this and it gets undone whatever we had done. Okay, one more time, and I just have to stretch this cell, so the value gets undone. Okay, so this is what is undo. Now if I want to redo, again you can see we are able to redo this. Fine. So these are the basic options, and if you want to save this sheet, just click on this button. Okay, but this is not the end of everything. There are multiple things that you can include in your quick access tabs. Okay, now you have a small little drop down over here which can help you customize your quick action or quick access toolbars. Now you can see new, open, save, email, quick print, print review. Okay, all these options can be included in your quick access. Okay, now for instance, I want to have this quick access on sorting. Okay, you can add it. Now you can see the sort is also added to your quick access. Correct. Now I want to remove that sort. Again, click on this, that gets removed. Okay, so this way you can add or remove any of the quick access options onto your quick access toolbar. Now all these are fine. One important thing that you can find is the last two, more commands. Okay, now more commands is helpful for customizing your toolbar. That's fine, we would be discussing it later on in some more advanced sessions, but right now what is more important for you is the position of your quick access toolbar. Now you can see the last option, that is show above the ribbon. Now we can see this file, home, insert. Okay, this is what the ribbon is, and it consists of several tabs. Now I can just send this quick access toolbar on top of the ribbon. Okay, so when you click on this, you can see this is where it goes. Okay, you want to bring it back, you can just click on this and you can bring it back. Now it's here. Okay, but ideally I would prefer to keep it on the top. Reason being, it allows me to see one row more compared to keeping this quick access toolbar below your tabs and ribbons. Okay, just have a look. Now this is row number 1 and this is row number 25, which is highlighted when this is here below the ribbon. Okay, now let us say if I take it above the ribbon, now you can see almost two more extra rows are visible. Okay, so this makes things a pretty much more easier, and it gives you access to few more rows. Okay, so apart from this, there's no reason, or there's no major idea why we should keep the task quick access toolbar above the ribbon or below the ribbon. That's not a big deal. Okay, you can access more data if you keep it on the top. Fine, so that's it for today's session. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Stay safe. Bye bye.